Hey, it's Danimal 818. Just doing a bike check. Alright, this is the volume thrasher, the V1, size medium. Yankum. Alright, this is the thrasher fork. And you guys have been asking about my wheels, and these are the Halo SAS wheels, 26. They're like 36 millimeters wide. They're laced to a Demolition Bulimia front hub with some spokes, and got the little ones pegs. Those are small, little. Let's just go to the back wheel right now. Got the profile 14 millimeter slotted hubs. They're really sweet and amazing. Got some sort of peg in the back, and the same deal. I forgot the tires, but this is a Continental Sport Contact 1.6. It's not very fat at all, but you can't really fit that much bigger on the thrasher. And this is a Surface Drifter 2.0. And here we have the Stolen Thermalite pedals to Why Not straps, and the Demolition 165 cranks. Then we got the profile chainring. I'm gonna put my spline drive one on soon. I'll make a video putting that on. And then what else we got? The gusset bars, open prison. They're nice and long.
They're good. 3 tries.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, we got some stock fit stem, some carbon fiber spacers, because I'm a weight weenie, so I have to keep it light.
That'd be lightweight, nigga.
And then we got a fit saddle. Hurts your butt. Look at that guy, low rider. It's Jesse. Hey! And then we got an Easton, some sort of road bike racing seat post, but it works. Yeah. That's about it.
It's the grips.
Oh, the grips. These are fit something grips. These are Carlos's old grips. Because I am too poor.
Best grips or fit something grips. Get them.
Fit something. What else did I forget? Did I forget something? Chain. This is
chain.
Cole's chain from his first bike. Keeping it OG, you know what I mean? Somehow it squeaks like a lot. Oh, let's see. FSA Impact headset. It's really nice. Doesn't creak or nothing.
Sticker. You got Wahoo sticker.
Yeah, Wahoo's. And then we got a Stolen bottom bracket. It's great. OIG bikes, you know, Demolition, dance comp.
Dance comp.
Ride picky, because
Ride
that's
picky.
what I do. Look, we got the girls golf team rolling up on us.
Girls golf team.
What? So hard? Damn. Bar ends, yeah.
Say hi.
Bar ends, these are bar ends stolen off of some Poopy Giant bike from H&S, you know.
Poopy Giant bike from H&S. Got that. You know it's good.
Oh yeah, got a cog. It's a Soma. I couldn't get my Surly cog off my old wheel because it was like seized on.
Seized.
It's great, guys. I really recommend this tub. And that one too.
He recommends it. So that's your bike?
Oh yeah, you guys want to see Boston?